motivates our mind and inspires our action. Here is Rudraksh for the thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. I am Rudraksh Swalka from class 9th Excellent. Today's positive thought is students' life teaches you that small steps taken daily lead to big achievements. I repeat myself. Students' life teaches you that small steps taken daily lead to big achievements. In Hindi, विद्यार्थी जीवन हमें सिखाता है कि रोज किए गए छोटे छोटे प्रयास ही बड़ी सफलताओं का कारण बनते हैं.
To keep ourselves updated with what is happening around the world, here is Sakshi with latest news headlines.
Good morning to all of you present over here. I am Sakshi Samrani from 9th Excellent. Information is power and news gives us that power. Here are today's top headlines. International. A big and dangerous fire has broken out in Hong Kong, the worst in almost 100 years. Second, top USA military leaders talk with Caribbean countries about working to stop illegal drug activities.
To help us learn something new, I'll call upon Kritika for asking some degree quiz. Very cheerful morning to all of you present over here. I am Kritika Kushwaha from class 9th Excellent. Today I am going to ask some GK questions for try to give correct answer. My first GK question is, who gave the slogan do or die? Anybody knows the correct answer? The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Second, now we move on to the special segment of today's assembly. I request Jessica Panita to come forward and present the story of Toby. मैं यशिका पाटीदार कक्षा 9वीं में अध्ययन करती हूँ. आज मैं आपके सामने एक कहानी प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ. उसका विषय है टोबी. एक बार टोबी जमीन में पड़े थे. पहला कुछ बोला कि मैं बड़ा बनना चाहता हूँ और सूरज की रोशनी देखना चाहता हूँ. वह धीरे धीरे अंकुरित होने लगा. दूसरा बीज डर गया और बोला कि अगर मैं बाहर आया तो मुझे खा जाएगा, और वह जमीन में ही पड़ा रहा. कुछ दिनों बाद पहला बीज एक छोटा पौधा बन गया, लेकिन दूसरा बीज वहीं दबा का दबा रह गया क्योंकि उसने कोशिश ही नहीं की थी. इस कहानी से हमें यह सीख मिलती है कि जो कोशिश करता है वही आगे बढ़ता है और जो डरता है वो पीछे रह जाता है. धन्यवाद. We came to the end of today's assembly. Let's begin our day with positive mindset. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Well, yesterday I had taught you simple future tense, and today I am going to explain you present continuous. But before this, I would like to call some of you. You have to come here, and whatever the homework I have given you yesterday, you have to tell us.
Good morning everyone. My name is Laksh Patidar. I study in class 6th grade. Today is my topic is future simple tense. My sentence is, we will dance on the brother marriage. We will not dance on the brother marriage. We dance on the brother marriage. We not dance on the brother marriage. Thank you.
Okay. Now I am going to explain you structure. There are four structures are given here. First affirmative, then negative, then interrogative, and interrogative negative. First structure of affirmative, we have to place subject. After subject we have to place helping verb. Helping verb in present continuous tense is am and are. And according to subject we have to place is am are. If the subject is I, we will place helping verb am. If the subject is are you, we, they, and plural, so we have to place helping verb are. And if the subject is he, she, it, or singular, so we will place helping verb is. And all the four structure helping verb will be same as I have explained in affirmative. Then we have to place ing form of the verb, or according to grammar you can say the present participle. Now in the end we will place object. So this is the structure of affirmative sentence. Now sentence, as already I have told you,